Alright, welcome back. Yoruba Nation. History won't be kind to you. Ilana Odua tackles Tinubu orders. Alright, the news in details. The umbrella body for Yoruba self-determination groups, Ilana Omo Odua, has tackled the national leader of the All Progressive Congress, Bola Tinubu, and other Southwest All Progressive Congress leaders for opposing separatist agitations. Had reported that Tinubu and other APC leaders in the Southwest, including Chief BC Akande, had at a meeting on Sunday opposed Yoruba Nation, supported one Nigeria restructuring, ranching, and an open grazing ban. But Ilana Odua, through its spokesperson Maxwell Adeleye, in an interview which described the APC leaders' decision as unfortunate, clarifying what the group is for self-determination, not secession. The group, headed by Professor Banji Akintoye, also said to the APC leaders that history will not be kind to them for opposing the wish of the people. People need to correct this. It is not secession which we are fighting for. It's the self-determination right of our people as guaranteed by the United Nations Charter on Human Rights and even the 1999 Constitution. According to statement, it is said that it is our right to fight for self-determination. And then as it is also said that Tinubu and others are entitled to their opinions, conduct a poll, and you will see that a majority of Yoruba people want their own nation. It is unfortunate that Chief BC Akande is present where the yearning and aspirations of Yoruba people will be denied. If his mentor, the late Chief Bola Ige, is alive, will BC Akande say the things he read out yesterday? Well, if the likes of Tinubu, Baba Akande, because of their ambition, Baba Akande are not careful, history will not be kind to them for standing against the yearnings and aspirations of the people. Without the people, they cannot be leaders, he said. Alright, and then meanwhile, a lot of people have been of the opinion that, well, the APC leader, as he has on his own part, had tried in his own part to make sure Nigeria gets worse, and then as it is, he has seen it. Majority of people are not happy with Bola Ahmed Tinubu in this part. In fact, majority of people have even said it severally that it's not for the fact that Tinubu himself brought in the present president, there wouldn't have been problems in this country, that nobody would have been talking about separation from the country. But he had done it so far by bringing in Buhari to this country to have made the country unbearable for a lot of people. Well, majority of people are not happy with the way the country has been run. Well, and I'm talking about agitation for Odudua and the Biafra right now. You will discover that this problem has been from Bola Tinubu himself. The majority of people have said that if he had not brought in the present regime, that nobody will be talking about leaving the country right now. And because the trouble had been that this set of people have made up their minds that nothing will make them to allow peace to reign in the country. And then this has caused a lot of chaos in the life of majority of people, because right now many people I have seen it that there is no way we can continue like this. They have seen it that there is no way we can continue to run this, we can continue to run this country the way it's being run. Hunger in the land, no security, killing of innocent souls, raping of women, and the likes of it. And then the federal government is not saying anything. Security-wise, nothing has been done. And now people have seen it that we can't continue like that. You can't expect all this to happen and then we'll just open our eyes and watch you people to continue to suffer us. Many things actually happened, and the majority of people have seen it that if we say we should remain in this sect, in this country, things will go worse. And then according to what a lot of people have actually said, that this is not a kind of country we want to live for our generations to come. So that is why you can see that majority of people are not happy as we speak right now. Many things had gone wrong as we speak right now. Many people have been like, how do you want us to cope? Shana, like this, we go the day. No, according to what has been gathered, it has said that history won't be kind to Tinubu and others. Yes, because of the way because of what atrocities they have caused, most especially by not even supporting the Oduduwa movement. All right, and the umbrella body for Yoruba self-determination groups, Ilana Omo Oodua, has tackled the national leader of the All Progressive Congress, Bola Tinubu, and other Southwest All Progressive Congress leaders for opposing separatist agitations, and then that has been it. Well, the thing is, I don't know why majority of these people are like, they are not going to support the movement. But the thing now remains that if at all you people are not going to support this movement, then why is it that you are not trying to make sure this set of people that are agitating for this separation, why is it that you have not been able to call them together, talk to them on how they can make it work, on how they can see that this country will change for good? Instead, we are saying that the so-called aspirants are even trying to force their way into these people, that either you like it or not, we are contesting come 2023. And all these things cannot even help issues at all. They can't help issues. That's why you can see majority of people coming out in mass that this time around we are not going to relent in our efforts. This time around we will agitate for a new nation. We don't want Nigeria anymore because everybody is tired. We can't continue like this. The people that are saddled with the responsibility to even tell us what is going on, none of them, majority of them, they are keeping it as if nothing is happening, like it doesn't concern them. Well, the truth of the matter is nothing has been working, and then the people cannot just continue like this. And that is it. Well, my people, that has been it on this one. Meanwhile, let me have more take from you on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.